Tubby! Tubby!
Here. Treat. Come on. You stuck, Tubby.
Okay, that's it for today, sweetie.
Let's go this way.
You suck, Tubby.
Come here. Out. Really, Tubby?
You're quite the Tubby.
This is how
Okay.
we walk.
Hey, Tubby, you stink.
Ooh, what is this? Nice. No, I don't like that. No, I don't like that. No, baby, I don't like that. Okay, we've got to lather her up. I've got to get a little soap on you. Yeah. Oh, I don't like that. Oh, no. Oh, no, I don't like that. You're a good girl. It's okay. It's not. Yeah. It's not that bad. It's not that bad. No. Okay, Dad. Where's the towels? What'd you do, towel? Give me a towel. Okay. Okay. There. Easy.
Well, there we go. This is a first for Tubby TV. Tubby had her first bath.
Yeah.
And
You don't want to keep her in there too long.
Yeah, you don't want to keep her in. You smell a lot better, Tubby.
She's shivering a little, but that's okay. We'll dry her off. I think she liked it.
How was that, Tubby? What's the verdict on that? Eh? Oh, you're licking your paws. You want to still?